Hey, everybody. Today I want to talk to you about how to make an appointment with me during the course of the semester. All right. So, anytime you want to have like a Microsoft Teams virtual appointment, this is what you should do. Okay. First of all, once you're in the Blackboard course, you should go over to instructor office hours. All right. There you will see my email. You can email me if you want to email me, my work phone, my office location, my office hours. All right. Just know that right now, all office hours are via appointment through the bookings app. So make sure when you go to schedule your appointment, you only book during the times that I have office hours. Booking shouldn't let you book at any other time, but just in case, you never know, stuff happens sometimes. Anyway, what you do is you click right here. Okay, and then up comes our booking page. All right, so keep in mind that Professor Kasimian and I use this bookings page because it's for our program. So you want to make sure you always click on the correct instructor. So you would click on me. Okay, and then it lets you know the earliest time that you could book, which would be today. All right, so you would click Professor O'Donoghue. Okay, and then it kind of lets you know when I'm available today. I'm available at 3:30 and 3:50. You would click one of those times, and then you would add your details here. So you would add your name, your email. Just let me know what it is that you want to talk about, just so I have a good idea. And then you would click book. Okay, once you click book, I'll get an email, and I believe you get an email as well. If anything comes up and you don't need to have the appointment anymore, you should come here and you should delete the appointment. Okay, so that someone else can have that time slot to register. So it's just as simple as that. So anytime you need to have an appointment with me, whether it be just office hours or advisement, please use this booking app and schedule an appointment, and know that all our meetings will be on Microsoft Teams. So we'll meet via video chat on Microsoft Teams. Okay. All right. Take care. Bye.